ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ነኝ የ12ኛ ክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር ከሉሲ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ። ዛሬ የምንማረው ከባለፈው ክፍለ ጊዜ የሚቀጥለው ባለፈው ሲኩዌንስ ኤንድ ሲሪስ ስፔሻሊ አርithmetic ሲኩዌንስ አይተናል። ዛሬ ደግሞ ጂኦሜትሪክ ሲኩዌንስን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ከዛ በፊት ግን ልክ እንደ ሁል ጊዜው የዌብሳይታችን lucybridgeacademy.com የገባችሁ የተለያየ ጥያቄዎችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ከ5 ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚችል personalized AI assistance ፕላትፎርም አለን። ስለዚህ አሁኑኑ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጆይን አድርጉ ማለት ነው። Okay, good. Now let me see geometric sequence, okay? Geometric sequence. It is a sequence. The ratio of consecutive terms is constant, okay? Assume the terms are G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 ያለ ይቀጥላል Gn, Gn plus 1 and so on. If this is our geometric sequence, if it is our geometric progression, G2 over G1, G2 over G1, G3 over G2, G4 over G3, that means the ratio of consecutive terms, okay? The ratio of consecutive terms of a geometric progression is constant. አንድ አይነት ከሆነ G2 ለG1 ስናካፍል እንደገና G3 ለG2 ስናካፍል እንደገና G4 ለG3 ስናካፍል እንደዛ ያለን Gn plus 1ን ለGn ስናካፍል የምናገኘው ቁጥር አንድ አይነት ከሆነ ወይም ኮንስታንት ከሆነ we call the sequence is geometric sequence, okay? Or geometric progression. Therefore, that constant number is called common ratio. ወይም ያንን common የሆነውን ቁጥር rን ምን እንለዋለን? common ratio እንለዋለን። በባለፈው arithmetic sequence ላይ እንደምታስታውሱት a1 እና common difference d እንዳለን ሁሉ አሁን ደግሞ እዚህ ላይ g1 እና common ratio ይኖሩናል ማለት ነው። g1 እና common ratio አገኘን ማለት ደግሞ ጄኔራል ተርማችን ወይም nth ተርማችን በቀላሉ እንወስናለን ወይም እናስቀምጣለን ማለት ነው። ጄኔራል ተርም ወይም ደግሞ nth ተርም ካለን ደግሞ ሁሉንም የተርም አይነቶች በቀላሉ መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Anyways, this is a general term, okay? This is a general term. If it is a geometric progression, Gn, which is equal to G1 times r the power of n minus 1 is the nth or general term. This is nth term or general term, okay? Nth term or general term. Nth term or it is general term. Look, example, G1 is given 9. The common ratio r is given 1/3. So we are asked to find the nth term using the general formula, okay? We know that Gn, which is equal to G1 times r the power of n minus 1 is. So I know that G1 is 9 times r is 1/3. 1/3 is the power of n minus 1. This is Gn. That's it. So 9 times 1/3 is the power of n minus 1 is the nth term or the general term. Or we can simplify this one like this. This means 9 times 1/3 is the power of n over 1/3, yes? Using exponential rule, right? This means 3 times 9, which is 27, times 1/3 the power of, and this will be the nth term or the general term of the given geometric sequence, okay? Gn, which is equal to 27 times 1/3 the power of n is the general term of the geometric progression whose first term is 9 and the common ratio 1/3. Okay. All right, we are asked to find the sixth term, right? The sixth term. We know that the general term is general termation ወይም nth termation አግኝተናል አይደል? 27 times 1/3 the power of n. 27 times 1/3 the power of n. This is our general term. We are asked to find G6 or the sixth term. ስድስተኛውን ተርሙን የተጠየቀን በn ቦታ 6 እንተካለን እንደተለመደው 27 times 1/3 is the power of what? The power of 6. This will be the sixth term. We can find also the hundredth term, which is G100 is equal to 27 times 1 over 3 is the power of what? 100 will be the hundredth term. So it's not difficult to find all the terms once we determine the n's or the general term of a given geometric sequence. We can find any terms. Okay, another question. 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8. It continues. B, a geometric progression that finds general term again. Look, let me write it again. 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, and so on. This is a geometric progression. Be a geometric progression, then find the general term or the nth term, right? What is the first term? The first term of the given sequence, that is G1. G1 is equal to 1 is, the first term is 1. The first term is 1, so G1 is equal to 1. What about the common ratio? Since it is a geometric progression, 1 over 2 divided by 1 is a common ratio R, which is equal to 1 over 2. Or you can divide 1 over 4 by 1 over 2. Or you can divide 1 over 8 by 1 over 4. Since it is a geometric progression, the common ratio will be 1 over 2. So R is equal to 1 over 2. Now let me find the general formula or the general term Gn, which is equal to G1 times R to the power of n minus 1 is, which is G1 is 1, yes, 1 times, how much is R? 1 over 2 to the power of what? N minus 1. 1 times 1 over 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 1 over 2. The power of n minus 1 is the n's or the general term of the given geometric progression, okay? The given geometric progression. Okay. Next, we have a question. A culture initially contains 10,000 bacteria and increases by 20% every hour. Find the number of bacteria after T, which is equal to 10 hours. Okay. በየሰዓቱ የሚራቡ የባክቴሪያ አይነቶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። እና መጀመሪያ ምን ይዘው ነበረ? 10,000 ባክቴሪያ ነው። ይሄ ጂኖት ኦር ጂዋን ልንለው እንችላለን። ጂዋን which is equal to 10,000 bacteria, okay? But we need to the common ratio ያስፈልገናል general term ለማወቅ, and then we can find the 10th term or 10th plus 1 the 11th term and so on, okay? So let me find G2. Yes, because G2 means G2 is equal to R times G1, okay? R times G1, or G2 over G1 is equal to R means we can find R, G2, R times G1, or this means R is equal to G2 minus G1 is our common ratio. Okay, so what is G2? Okay, what is G2? Or let me show you. Okay, it's better to find G2 like this. G2 is equal to 10,000 ባክቴሪያዎች አሉ። በየሰዓቱ በ20% ይጨምራሉ። ስለዚህ የ10,000 20% እንፈልጋለን G2 ከማለታችን በፊት። Okay, now የ10,000 20% እንፈልጋለን። ያ ማለት times 20 over 100 አድርገን ስንሰራ ስንት ይመጣል? 20 by 20 የ10,000 20% 200 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከG2 ምንድነው የሚሆንልን? G2 is equal to G1 plus 200, okay? Which means G1 is 10,000 plus 200, which is equal to 10,200. 10,000, sorry, okay, sorry, we have 10,000 here, 10,200. 10,200 will be G2. Now common ratio R is equal to G2 over G1. How much is G2? 10,200 over 10,000. This means 20 by 20, which is equal to 102 over 100, which is equal to 1.0. 1.02 is our ratio, or our common ratio, right? So Gn will be Gn is equal to G1 times R to the power of n minus 1, okay, which is equal to G1 is 10,000 times R1. R means 1.02 the power of what? The power of n minus 1. N minus 1. Now, after 10 hours means, n becomes Gn plus 1 is Gn plus 1 is equal to 10,000 times 1.02 the power of n plus 1. በn ቦታ n plus 1 እንተካና minus 1 እናደርጋለን። ይሄ ማለት 10,000 times 1.02 the power of n. This means the n plus 1 term, okay? After 10 hours means now G10 is equal to 10,000 times 1.02 the power of 10. በዚህ መንገድ the value of the bacteria after T hours will be 10,000 times 1.02 the power of 10 አደርጋለን ማለት ነው። Okay, now geometric mean between A and B means geometric mean between A and B, where A and B positive numbers. Therefore, the square root of AB is the geometric mean between A and B if A and B are positive numbers. More generally, any geometric means between A and B. Okay. General formula for the case geometric mean, okay, if we have any number of geometric terms between A and B, therefore gk, which is equal to A times B over A is the power of k over n plus 1, okay. Find the geometric mean between 3 and 4. It's simple. The geometric mean between 3 and 4 means the square root of 3 times 4, okay. We know that the geometric mean between A and B means AB is the square root of AB is the product of square root of A and B, which is equal to the square root of 6 will be the geometric mean between 3 and 4. The geometric mean of two positive numbers is 12. Hence, that means the geometric mean, let the two numbers be A and B, that means the square root of AB. The geometric mean between A and B is equal to 12, that means the geometric mean of A and B is 12. If one of the number is 8, that means, let me say A is equal to 8, okay? What is the other number? We are asked to find B, right? Okay, therefore, the square root of AB means the square root of AB, since A is 8, 8B is equal to 12. Implies squaring both sides, 8B is equal to 12 square, which is 144, yes? 8B is equal to 144. Dividing both sides by 8, B is equal to 144 over 8, okay? You can simplify by 2, 72 over 4 by 2, 36, 38 over 2, yes? 72 by 2. Okay, 6, sorry, 36 over 2, which means 18, all right? So the value of B is 18 and the value of A is given, which is 8. The two numbers are 8 and 18. That means the geometric mean between 8 and 18 is how much? 12. Okay, the geometric mean of two numbers is 16. If one of the numbers is 4 times the other, find the two numbers, okay? Look, the same question. The geometric between A and B is equal to 16, okay? The geometric mean of two numbers is 60, means the square root of AB is equal to 60. If one of the numbers is 4 times the other, find the two numbers. Assume B is equal to 4 times A, okay? Because one of the numbers is 4 times the other, means B, which is equal to 4A, or we can say A is equal to 4B. Now, the square root of AB is equal to 16, means the square root of BA times what is B? 4A. You can substitute 4A in terms of B. It's equal to 16, which implies that the square root of 4A square, which is equal to 16. But we define that A and B are positive numbers. Therefore, the square root of 4A square means 2A, which is equal to 16, because A is greater than 0. Now dividing both sides by 2, A is equal to 8. What about B? B is equal to 2A. B is equal to 2 times 8, which is equal to 16. A is 16 and A is 8 and B is 16, or B is equal to 8, A is equal to 16 ማለት እንችላለን. Anyways, the two numbers are 8 and 16. Two positive numbers have an arithmetic mean of 20 and a geometric mean of 60. Find the numbers, okay? Find the numbers. Look, two numbers have an arithmetic mean 20, means the arithmetic mean between two numbers A and B means A plus B over 2, yes? Which is equal to 20. This implies that multiplying both sides by 2, A plus B is equal to 40. And geometric mean is 60, means the square root of AB. The square root of AB is equal to 16. Squaring both sides, AB is equal to 16 square. Now equating these two equations, you can find the value of what? A and B. Equating the two equations, you can find A and B. This is all for today. In the next video, we will see the next part of geometric sequence. We will see different examples of geometric sequence. እንደተለመደው አስተያየታችሁን ኮሜንታችሁን ሁሌም እንድታደርሱን እስካሁን ድረስ አብሬያችሁ የቆየሁት እሸቱ ነበርኩ። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።